Do you have an idea for a business, but you are stuck at the moment because you don't know where to begin? Or are you considering starting a business so you can quietly quit your 9 to 5 to pursue your passion? Well, I understand. I was in those same shoes when I jumped into the business world. After finishing school and working, I decided to take the leap of faith and bet on myself to do what I want to do and be fulfilled. Now, the great news, I want to help you do the same. In the 6-month Mentorship Bootcamp, turn your idea into a sustainable, scalable business from scratch. Every week, we will lay the groundwork, building it up from the basement until we have a complete, finished product. Now you might be asking, how can I take advantage of this opportunity? I'm glad you asked. All you have to do is click the I'm in button. Yes, click the I'm in button on the website. You might be listening to right now. All you gotta do is click the I'm in button, and I'm hoping to see you take advantage of the limited seats of the 6-month Mentorship Bootcamp. Turn your idea into a sustainable, scalable business from scratch. Let's go, and hopefully see you soon. Take care. Bye.